How to post on X, or also known as Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can post on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to basically post on Twitter, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Twitter application or the X application here. Then tap the plus icon from the bottom right of the screen here. Then you will see this type of interface where all you have to do is simply make sure to enter any tweet that you would like to tweet here. Then just make sure to hit this button. You can also choose to add pictures, GIFs, or polls if you want to create a poll, or you can also add a location. Then after that, just tap the post option to post it. This way you can post something on Twitter. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.